Yo, yo, yo. What up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on the YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I'm back with another video for you guys right now. I'm going to try to make this video as fast as possible, try to do it under 5 minutes, so I can just shoot through this thing super quick. So, like I said in my previous videos, if you guys see my unboxing video or my other video, I basically said how to actually get good sounds using your DJI mic mini, which is right here. So basically, I got mine connected to my computer. I have two ways to actually connect it. One is directly connected to the computer, and get the sound on it, and also I have another way which is connected to my mixer. I do have different ways to show it. I'm gonna do it at a different video, but I'm just want you guys to actually hear the actually sound that's going to come out of the mic mini, and I'm going to do that in a few minutes so you guys can actually see and hear how it's actually happening. So the only way to use it, the way how I'm using it right now, is for two ways. One is the paid way. The paid way is to actually get EQ, a little bit more bass so you can actually see everything that's going on, or you can go more with the free way. So the paid way more is you have to have basically own a Stream Deck Plus or an Elgato microphone that gives you wavelength, or you can go and use SteelSeries GG that allows you to use their free software. If you set it towards, I believe it's bass or microphone, I forgot the actual setting was, it'll give you the sound that you need to give you more bass. So currently right now you can hear the I got like a little noise cancellation going on. The reason for that is so you won't hear the noise that's going on in the background. But one thing I do want you guys to hear, let's turn off the noise in the background towards my microphone really quick. Turn that off real quick. Okay, so now you don't hear the noise in the background. You probably hear my air conditioning and stuff like that, but you can hear my audio is clear, right? But here's the trick. Like I said, I normally keep it connected to the computer. The only reason why I don't have it connected to the computer is because I like to be able to monitor my headphones on the microphone and be able to monitor it. So even with a small little earpiece, whatever like that, just to monitor what I'm saying like that, so I know that's recording and stuff like that, so I can know if I'm peaking or whatever like that. But I do have a confession for you guys. This whole recording that I'm talking to right now is not even using this microphone. This is just a prop. This is a working microphone, which I gotta get this thing off this mic, but this is just a prop right now. If I tap it, you don't even hear no tapping, okay? The reason for that is that the microphone is on the mic boom arm, sound bump, stabilizer, whatever, on there on the magnet. That how I'm actually recording, because the as you can see right there, there's the mic mini right there. You can probably hear me. That's it right there. So now I got it in front of me right now. So this is actually what you're hearing. So if I move it like this and like this, you can see that it's actually far away, so I put it directly in front of me. So you're probably also wondering, you just heard the big click click, probably wondering how I got that nice audio sound, that nice bass and stuff on it. Like I said, I'm using wavelength, which gives me EQ. So if I turn off EQ right now, this is what it sounds like without EQ. This is what it sounds like with no compressor on it. So if I was to scream, it's gonna blow out your ears. What I do like about it is that I can put the noise reduction on instead of using the noise reduction that comes in with NVIDIA Broadcast, which NVIDIA Broadcast is like sound a little bit more AI. And I do like the way how DJI made the compression on this one, noise cancellation. I believe I have it on strong, so I don't sound robotic on here. And what I do like the fact is I don't have to turn the noise cancellation on here. This sounds more natural. And what I can do is turn compressor on right now and turn EQ on right now. So now I have a stronger bass while I'm talking to you guys right now. So this is how I like to talk. So let's just move this off real quick. And I can talk to you guys basically like this, as you can see right now. And this gives me more sound. I do have another microphone that I can actually connect this towards to give myself some better sound like that. Or if I want to do this, I can leave that right there. Take this one This one right here, wait for it to connect. I just gotta wait for it to connect. Just bear for a second, it's connecting. Let's turn it on real quick. There we go. And we're gonna wait. Okay, there we go. So now we got this one right here. As you can see, I'm right here. We got this one right there. So this one is further back. This one right here. So if I wanted to put it like this and have a nice stereo like that, I could keep it like that, or like this, or keep it like this, or put this one somewhere over here so you can actually hear extra sound, or pop both of them on there like that. So as you can see, so on that part of my microphone, I got both of them sitting right there. So it kind of sound kind of funky. But let's remove this off really quick. What I do like about these microphones is that, as you can see, the yellow and the green, it works on both of them. So if I turn this one off with the noise cancellation on this one turns off. So let's just show that real quick. So now I got the noise cancellation off on it, and as you can hear how this one sounds. This one does have the dead cat on it, so let's just move this really fast. Okay, so that's disconnected right there. So this is how I would actually talk like that. I like to have the microphone in front of me. I do have another microphone that I do use, which is this right here. So basically I would just take this right here, take this off. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just trying to keep my hand off screen. Like I do know, I told you guys I do have burns on my hand. Okay. And now I can talk to you guys like this, and this is how I was planning on doing everything. So now I can talk to you guys like this with the EQ on. This is with the noise stabilization on and video broadcast with the noise cancellation on, which I really don't like the sound for it. The noise cancellation works better on this microphone, but not really a wireless microphone. But if I want to go out and, you know, I don't want to take this off, I can just pop this mic out real quick. Sorry, real quick. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Turn this mic on really fast. Wait for that to sync up. Okay, and there we go. Now I can talk to you guys like this with noise cancellation on. So you can hear that it's a little bit compressed with the noise cancellation and stuff off like that, but I do like the fact that it does work a little bit better for me, and I do like the fact that it sounds a little bit better how the way I want it. So let's turn that noise cancellation off really fast. Okay, and we're back how it is. So this is how I actually do a recording like that. I am going to get a stand like that, so you see this microphone sitting like this for now on. Yeah, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. I'm not going to edit this video. I just want you guys to hear exactly how it's going to sound. I said I wanted to do this under 5 minutes. It's now 8 minutes. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. I have more videos coming up very shortly. It's late. It's my birthday. Well, my birthday is over 2 minutes ago because it's now 12:02. So yeah, my birthday is over, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.